What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here. Today I've got with me the Nest Hub 2nd generation. This one has sleep tracking, supposedly more bass, better speakers, and we'll see what else is better with it. So let's unbox it and have a look. So here we can see the box of the Nest Hub 2nd generation, just some information about what it can do and I guess what it looks like, as well as my serial number if you want to steal that. Just pause the video. Yeah, we also have some services that it's compatible with, which is nice to see. There's the product itself. As we can see, the glass now extends to the edge of the device instead of a plastic bezel. That's kind of cool. And there's the device itself. Can't take out the bottom on this one. It's firmly attached. Some Google Homes you could pull it off. Buttons feel nice. Let's see what else is inside the box. It's a get started guide. It just says plug it in, open the Google Home app. That's pretty cool. How the Google Home respects your privacy. And then some warranty and safety guide stuff, which is interesting read. We also get a charger, which is the same charger, I believe, as the Home Mini. If I can get it out of this packaging. Oh, it comes this way. Yeah, it appears to be the same charger as the Mini. Let's check out the voltage on it. It is 14 volt at 1.1 amps. Wow, that's a bit higher than I was expecting. See the two microphones at the top. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm keen to do more, and I'm going to do a comparison video of the Nest Hub with the Nest Hub Max. So you can compare the speakers, that kind of stuff. So that's coming next. Lens Addict out. Once again, a late. Please subscribe. I forgot to film that. And if you've made it this far, well, I'll let you know that all the music in this video is from Windows XP. It's from like when you first set up the computer. There's some music that plays for your first install of Windows XP, and the music for this video is that music. So if you like the music, you can find it now and have a listen. Anyway, I'm now truly out this time. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, do all the things, and have a good afternoon or morning.